Because look, it's hanging and hitting that car right there. Don't go out there right now.
Well, I'm taking video. Wow.
Isn't that piece scraping up against that car?
Yeah.
That car is going to be all fucked up. Oh, wow, look at it. Flying up again.
They're gonna have to pay for that shit, I guess.
Those cars shouldn't even be parked there. That van's been knocked out. They should have took that shit down instead of leaving
Yeah, I know.
it there.
I was thinking about that earlier.
Look at that person coming out looking at their car.
Maybe I should go help her.
Arms going off on the cars too.
Maybe I should help her.
Huh?
I just go help her.
Look at she's moving her car. That's her car.
Yeah. Wow. I was wondering why they wouldn't take that off.
Oh shit. You can hear it when she packed
Well,
up.
it probably scratched the hell out of her car.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go to the office and tell him. Where's that guy? Oh, he's doing it.
Don't move the evidence.
He didn't move his side. He don't want his car damaged anymore.
Yeah, but this is going to keep blowing.
He lives there. He lives on top floor.
Yeah.
Well, I got the evidence.
Yeah.
That's just... Wow.
That silver car is going to get